How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can add contacts to your WhatsApp web. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to first download or add an extension to your Google Chrome. For that, open up a new tab and then search for Chrome Web Store. After that, you have to search for this extension, that is InTouch app. Once you search for it, then click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. It says this extension has been added to your Chrome. Now once you have added this extension, you have to go to your WhatsApp web and refresh it once again. Now the second thing you have to do is you have to install this same InTouch app in your mobile device. Once you install it in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once you have done that in your mobile, now you can simply add any contacts in your WhatsApp web by clicking on this plus icon and then click on Add New Contact. There you can add any contact on your WhatsApp web, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.